Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable bedtime mode on Apple Watch SE 3. First you have to open the control center by pressing the side button once, then scroll down the dials list until you find the focus icon that looks like a crescent moon. Tap on it, and then from the list of options select sleep. This way you will enable the bedtime mode. Now, if you don't see this dial on this in this menu, for example, if it was removed, like this, then you can add it by tapping edit at the very bottom of this menu, then tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen, scroll down and select focus. And then you can also hold your finger down on this tile and move it through the others. And now press done to apply changes. And now you can enable your bedtime mode from your control center. If you wanted to enable automatically, however, you can set up your schedule in your sleep app. To do that, press the digital crown once. Then on the list of apps, open the sleep app, and then scroll down this menu to the very bottom, and then on the next schedule screen, tap on the bedtime. Now to set up a schedule, you have to scroll down until you find the full schedule option or menu or category, and then to enable it, switch this toggle to the right. Then you can set your bedtime by tapping on bedtime and active on, and then select the days active for your schedule by switching the toggle next to the days when you want your sleeping schedule to be active, and set a wake up time by tapping on wake up time, then selecting the value that you want to change and moving your digital crown to change the value in this field. Then tap OK when you're done in the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you can also enable an alarm if you want to by switching the toggle to the right. And then you can also change the bedtime in the very same way that we set up a wake up time. And once the schedule is set up, you can leave this menu, and then the bedtime mode will enable whenever you go to sleep, so whenever it's your bedtime and scheduled bedtime. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.